Atomic Structure and Nuclear Chemistry by Keating and Ifrah. Once upon a time, a scientist named John Dalton created the first atomic model. A man named J.J. Thomson identified the electron as a particle. He used a Crookes tube to examine electrons. He did this by using the plum pudding model. Ernest Rutherford created the nuclear model, which he did by using a gold foil experiment. Niels Bohr created the Bohr model, also known as the planetary model. He said that electrons are arranged in concentric orbits like rings. In 1925, the quantum mechanical model, which is the currently accepted model, was made. It was first proposed by Werner Heisenberg. An atom is the most basic unit of matter. The nucleus at the center of the atom holds protons and neutrons. Isotopes are atoms of the same element that have different numbers of neutrons. This means isotopes have different atomic masses but the same atomic number. An isotope is considered stable if the nucleus will not spontaneously decay. Elements with atomic numbers 21 through 82 have at least one isotope that is somewhat stable. Elements with atomic numbers greater than or equal to 83 do not have a stable isotope and are radioactive. Alpha decay is an emission of an alpha particle, denoted by the symbol A because it contains 2 protons and 2 neutrons. The charge is +2 because it has 2 protons. Gamma emission is high-energy electromagnetic radiation. No particles are included, only energy is. There is no change in the contents of the nucleus. Beta decay is the emission of a beta particle. A beta particle is a fast-moving electron. Beta particles have insignificant mass, so the mass number is 0.
All 3 types of radiation are used daily to benefit us. They are used for smoke detectors, food irradiation, medical imaging, insecticides, and many more. Transmutation is the conversion of an element to an atom of another element. This occurs in radioactive decay. In a nuclear reaction, isotopes of one element are changed into isotopes of another, which is an example of transmutation. Fission is the splitting of a nucleus. A very large nucleus is divided into 2 large pieces by fast-moving neutrons. Fusion is the combining of the nuclei. 2 small nuclei combine and form 1 large nucleus. It doesn't occur under standard conditions. Nuclear disintegration is emission of a proton or a neutron. It happens with very small particles hit a nucleus with enough energy to remove particles. Atomic number is a number of protons in an atom of elements. In a neutral atom, it equals the number of electrons. The mass number is the total number of protons and neutrons in the nucleus of a single atom of one element. Atomic mass is the mass of one isotope of an element. It will always be the same as the mass number. Average atomic mass is the average of all isotopes of an element in a Earth's crust and atmosphere. This number is listed on the periodic table. The end.